Alright, welcome to this Google Meet platform. Now, what you have to do is, at first, you have to sign into your Google account. Alright, you have to open the Google homepage. Okay, open the Google homepage. Then you type Google Meet. And then you scroll here, you saw Google Meet. Then you have to type in using your Google account, but because I entered already, that's why it move here. If not, you have to type in your Google account. Okay, or when you open the Google homepage, you go to Meet here. Click on that. And because I'm already entered, so now I'm on the Google platform. Okay, what I want to show you, if you want to invite friends to join you, here's the link. You can add friends, you can send this link via their WhatsApp or their messenger. Okay, you can copy this and once they click onto this link, they're able to join you. Okay, now I'm sharing, I'm recording. Okay, if you don't want people to see your face on this platform, you just click here, turn off the camera, and people can only see your picture. If you want to leave this platform, you just click here and later you can rejoin back. Okay, as long as you didn't sign out. Alright, if you want to mute your microphone, you just click here. Okay. Okay, if you want to communicate people, okay, you can click here. If there's people having a hearing problem, you can click on this caption. This caption, only caption you have to write, isn't it? But this one no need to write. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, on this platform here, you can just speak whatever you want and it will be recorded here. Okay, so sometimes when you speak to your client, they having ear problem, they can't hear you properly, so they can read. No, I appear here. Whatever you talk to them, it appear here. Just appear here. Okay, I'm going to close this first. I see it appear here. Okay, I close this one first. Okay, now I don't need this caption, so I'm going to off it. Turn off. Okay, now I'm going to want to present something. Before that, I'll show you. You can change your background from time to time. Okay, you just click here. If you want to write something and use a whiteboard or anything, so you just click here. Okay, here also you can turn on the caption, or here also can. Okay, I'm going to close this. Just click anywhere. Okay, just say for example, I want to show people about something on the internet. So you need what you need to split up your window where maybe you on this side and here you're controlling your article or whatever you want to show people. So you have to install the do less. That means merge window. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, I want it to be two like that. So, okay, here come. Now, what you have to do, just say you want to show people images. Okay, images, just say about durian. Click durian, it appear here. Okay, here people are able to see you, and here I'm able to control. Okay, just say if I want to show about something on the YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So I go to here. It's interesting, isn't it? Wait, it's loading. Okay, you want to search for your YouTube. Yeah, it's loading. You want to search for your YouTube. You go to here, search. Okay, now I search for my video. Maybe window 2020. Okay, then I can play here. It's interesting, isn't it? I can play here. Okay, yeah. I'll go back to the beginning. Okay, you can control here, you can control. What else you want to show? You want to show people how to make bread. So you can show. Okay. This how. Okay. You don't want this, then you can just turn off here. Okay. Just say for example, you want to show people about your photo. You can click here, type photo or whatever. Okay. So now I don't want this. Close this. Okay, some other day, my tutorial, I will share about the cloud convert. Okay, now I'm recording this webcam. And webcam, if you want to upload it to the YouTube, you need to convert to MP4, MOV, okay, other maybe AVI. Okay, so I'm going to close this. And okay, once you have, okay, if you have this one, if, okay, you have end the recording, then it will, yeah, it will automatically download for you in this form. Okay, early on I created one, I recorded one of this video. Now it's my second recording. Okay, this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to go out of this platform. I'm going to leave this platform and go return to home. And remember, we are still recording. Okay, remember, I'm going to log out. And I'm going to stop sharing.